This is my quick Mexican avocado salad. It's got shrimp in it, but you can use lobster or crab. It's got guacamole, salsa. It's just delicious. This is my quick Mexican avocado salad. That's called a choquette, and this is a Haas. Look at the difference in size. We're going to use the choquette today. Going to cut it in half and remove the seed. Okay, now we're going to remove most of the flesh and just keep half an inch next to the skin. Okay, you can see that I've carved out the avocado flesh to about half an inch, and I put it into a bowl like this. What we want to do is mash this. So a basic guacamole, a little lime, a little pepper, and some salt. Now we're going to cross-hatch or hashtag the bottom of this. Then we'll scoop some of this, half the mixture into each half, and mound it on one side. You can see how I've mounded it on one side, just like this. We're going to fill up the other side. What we're going to take is 3 tablespoons of chopped cucumber, 3 tablespoons of chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon of onion, chopped, and some diced jalapeno. I have 1 whole jalapeno because I like that. So here we go. A little more lime. That's good. Some pepper and a bit of salt. We're going to whip this up. We're going to split this into 2 avocados. Going to add in a little bit of cilantro. Some people don't like cilantro. I like it. It's yummy. Now we're going to take some shrimps and we're going to kind of dangle them over the side like this. I'm going to put 3 in each one, and it looks just like that. We're going to spoon in this mixture, half of the mixture. You can see that's starting to look pretty good. What we're going to do now is just put a little bit of cilantro on the top, just like that, little garnish. And this is clamato juice, 1 tablespoon of clamato juice. It's got 1.5 carbs, but it really makes it. And we're just going to put that right over the salsa mixture. And then I like Tabasco on mine. It's like my Mexican cocktail, but a healthier version and lower carbs. So just a little splash of that on the top. And we can always add more salt and pepper. And then I've got like a little garnish that goes on the top like this. And that's how I would serve that. So I'd serve that little appetizer just like that. Pretty easy. I'll make up the other one, but thanks for watching.